If you've mastered solving one-step equations, then you're ready to solve two-step equations. In this video, we're going to take a look at solving two-step equations, which, guess what? It's the same principle and idea as before, just with one extra step. So let's get to it. Here we have our first example, 2x plus 4 equals 18. Now, to solve equations in general, remember the goal is to get x by itself. We want x equals something. But right now, we have a couple of things hanging out with x, the 2 and the 4. So, which number shall we get rid of first? Well, it doesn't matter. What does matter is that whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other. And for the sake of clarity, we're going to solve this problem two ways and show you that we get the same exact answer. In this first technique, let's get rid of the 4 that's adding to 2x by doing its inverse and subtract. So let's subtract both sides by 4. Well, 4 minus 4 goes to 0. Let's just cancel those off. And 18 minus 4 gives us 14. Great! Now, let's get rid of that 2 that's multiplying to x. So let's do the inverse and divide. Well, 2 divided by 2 goes to 1, so we get x equals, and 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. So here, x equals 7. Before we move on, let's check that our answer makes sense. Well, 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 plus 4 equals 18. Bam! We do get a true statement, so our answer of x being 7 is correct. Now, let's keep it going and solve this problem with the second technique. For this second approach, let's first divide everything by 2. Well, 2 divided by 2 goes to 1, 4 divided by 2 goes to 2, and 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Now check it. All that's left is that 2 that's adding to x. So let's get rid of that addition of 2 by subtracting 2 to both sides. 2 minus 2 goes to 0, just cancel those off, and 9 minus 2 equals 7. And once again, we get our final answer of x equals 7. See, this is what's really cool about math. We can solve problems a few different ways and still get the same answer. All we gotta do is just make sure we uphold the property of equality. Whatever we do to one side, just do to the other. Let's keep the ball rolling and take a look at just one more example. Here we have the equation 2/3 x minus 4 equals 16. Now, I know fractions can be intimidating, but don't trip. We can easily get rid of this fraction in one simple step. Since we have a denominator of 3, let's go ahead and multiply everything by 3. Well, 3 times 2/3 x leaves us with 2x, negative 4 times 3 equals negative 12, and 16 times 3 equals 48. And bam! No longer do we have a fraction, and what we're dealing with now is a similar two-step equation. Let's keep going to solve for x. Notice we have that subtraction of 12. Let's get rid of that by adding 12 to both sides. Negative 12 plus 12 goes to 0, and 48 plus 12 equals 60. And finally, let's get rid of that 2 that's multiplying by x by dividing. 2 divided by 2 goes to 1, we are left with 1x, and 60 divided by 2 equals 30. And bam! There we go, we have x equals 30. Let's make sure our answer is correct by plugging it back in. Well, 2/3 times 30 equals 20, and 20 minus 4 equals 16. So we have a true statement, our answer is correct. Hopefully now you're feeling good about solving two-step equations. Just isolate the variable, and remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, do to the other, and you'll be good to go. Well, if you found this video at all helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more math content. I'll see you guys next time.